First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. Type regedit in the search box. Right-click on Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator. When the Registry Editor opens, look at the left side panel. Once you open the System Profile folder, go to the right side and find a value named Network Throttling Index. If you cannot find it, right-click on an empty area, select New, then choose DWORD 32-bit value. Name it Network Throttling Index. Now double-click Network Throttling Index. Change the value data to FFFF. That is 8 capital F letters. Set the base to hexadecimal if it is not already selected. Then click OK. This action disables network throttling completely. It tells Windows not to hold back your bandwidth for background tasks. Still inside the registry editor. Go to this second path. Inside the Games folder, you will see a few entries on the right. Find GPU priority and double-click it. Set the value data to 8. Click OK, then find priority and open it. Change the value data to 6. Click OK again. Finally, find scheduling category. Double-click it. Change the value data to high and click OK when you have finished editing all values. Close the registry editor. Restart your computer. After restart, open your browser or any downloader and test your download speed again. If this helped you, like and subscribe.